Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Dear students, this is Priyanka, Faculty of Commerce and Management. We have solved in our previous class eighth problem from techniques and financial statement analysis from cost control and management by Pankaj Applications. Okay, we are dealing with unit 3 chapter 5. In that we are doing long problems. This is the problem number 9. Dear students, problem number 9, page number E25 and ninth here. I will read question for you people. If you're having material, please check out once. That from the information given below, prepare a comparative balance sheet and study the financial position of Preksha Limited. Balance sheet he have given 31st December. So we having base year is the 2016 and current year is 2017. We supposed to prepare the balance sheet, comparative balance sheet of this ninth problem. So let's we discuss what are those entries come in this problem. Okay, so as you know, Preksha Limited comparative income, comparative balance sheet of 31st December 2016 to 2017. Here, dear students, as you know, that pro forma of this comparative balance sheet is the particulars base year and current year column and absolute change column and percentage change column. These four columns will come in comparative balance sheet. Okay, what is that pro forma? Once again, please tell along with me particulars, base year column, present year, and absolute change and percentage change. Now let's we see equity and liability shareholders funds. Okay, na share capital we will take, and second one what we will take assets. Again, in the liability side we will take non-current liabilities. Okay, current liabilities and total. Again here assets, non-current assets, fixed assets and current assets. Okay, now see dear students, that equity and liabilities, shareholders funds, what the entries are coming. First one, equity capital is 2016 is 6 lakhs, 8 lakhs, and if you deduct from this 8 lakhs to 6 lakhs, you will get the 2 lakhs. Again, we have to do percentage change. How you will get the percentage change value? Here, percentage change value is the absolute change, okay, divided by last year value into 100, right? So we will apply this formula to get all percentage in this particular column. Okay, first you see here equity capital given, yes, reserve and reserve and surplus. Okay, we have taken reserve and surplus, and after that what is there, ma? Debentures comes under the where non-current liabilities, long-term loans or mortgage, long-term loans, current liabilities. Okay, in current liabilities what are the entries will come? Bills payable. Okay, bills payable, sundry creditors, other current liabilities. Please observe the entries. First, equity, liabilities and shareholders funds, equity, capital, reserve, surplus. Okay, and after that non-current liabilities, debentures, long-term loan. Okay, and current liabilities, bills payable and sundry creditors, current liabilities, total. So we will do total. First, if you get this kind of problem, try to enter all the entries and values of a base year and current year. Then you start entering values in absolute change, and after completion of absolute change, with the help of this formula you try to enter all the values, all the percentages in this last column. Is I am clear, friends? So first you take what the equity liabilities, equity and liabilities, what are those entries going to come, and coming to assets, what are those assets, non-current assets and current assets, what are those assets entries is going to be come. First you people try to write all these entries, and after that amounts, try to take the amounts, base year and current year. First base year and current year, first write down all the amounts, and after that try to calculate. We have to minus from current year this base year, and you will get change. What are the change is happened, that change you have to mention here. Okay, now see, I have taken equity, capital, reserve, surplus, and in non-current liabilities is debentures, okay, long-term loans, current liabilities, bills payable, sundry creditors, other current liabilities. So this is the total 14 lakhs 35 lakhs in 2016, and 2017 16 lakhs 95,000. Now all values we will get in this column is that from 2017 we have to deduct amounts, 2016 ka amount we have to deduct. So you will get the absolute change. Now coming to assets, here non-current assets, fixed assets, land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixture, other fixed assets. Okay, and current assets, what is in current assets? Cash and bank, bills receivable, sundry debtors, stock. Okay, all the values I have entered here, again I have deducted. For example, if you see here in 2017, land and building value is 2 lakhs 70,000. Previous year it is 3 lakhs 70,000. Means 2 lakhs 70,000 minus 3 lakhs 70,000 minus 1 lakh. Okay, you will get the minus value here. Is that clear, dear friends? So all the entries I have taken, 2016 values I have taken, 17 values I have taken. Now we have to deduct all the change, whatever the change you got from 2017. We have to deduct 2016 values. You will get the absolute change value. Now percentage change. Percentage means absolute change divided by last year into 100. For example, here if you see 2 lakhs. Okay, 2 lakhs is divided by, here 2 lakhs is divided by 6 lakhs into 100, 33.33% you will get. Again my what is my minus 1 lakh 10,000. Okay, thousand divided by 30, excuse me. Yes, 3 lakh, here 30,000. This is 2 lakh 20,000, ma. Okay, make it 2 lakh 20,000. 2 lakh 20,000 minus 3 lakh 30,000. If you do, you will get 1 lakh 10,000 minus 1 lakh 10,000. If you do 1 lakh 10,000 divided by 3 lakhs 30,000 into 100, you will get minus 38.33%. Again the same, 1 lakh divided by 2 lakh into 100, you will get 50.0. So all these percentages we will get with this help. What we will know for company, how it is helpful means, simply ma, it is a comparative balance sheet. It is a comparative balance statement that shows the financial position of a business for 2 or more years sided by side. It helps to compare the increase or decrease in assets and liabilities over time. Is I am clear? I'm repeating once again. Comparative balance sheet, this comparative balance sheet is a statement that shows the financial position of a business 2 or more years side by side. It helps to compare increase or decrease in assets and liabilities over time. Okay, so now if you see interpretation, he will ask for interpretation. Prepare a comparative balance sheet or prepare common size balance sheet and interpret it or comment it. So we have to interpret it, what actually taking place in a business, like what aspects that we are going to interpret. For example, total assets and liabilities increased, showing overall business growth. Equity, capital and reserves increased, improving owners funds. Okay, fixed assets and stock increase, indicating expansion of operation. So like this, we have to interpret any some if you are doing this kind of practical problem. Okay, you have to interpret it. Please take a screenshot of this. Okay, thank you, friends, for your support. And please support me like this and subscribe my channel. Share with your BCom students, BCom friends. Okay, and like, share, especially share this videos to others, which is going to be helpful for them. Okay, I'm uploading each and every summer in sequence. Okay, sequence and problem wise I'm uploading. Please try to note down these problems and try to solve, and like, share, support. Thank you so much, dear friends. Wish you all the best.